Hey today I'm gonna be using this vase, my Christmas beads, my hot glue to create this lovely piece. Stay tuned, don't leave. So it's a simple process, guys. All I'm doing is applying glue and wrapping my beads around the vase. Alright, so stay tuned and watch the process. I found these candle holders at Primark. I'm just going to put them together, not gluing them, using my decorative piece there to just stick them together, right? So if you want to remove them later on, that is fine. That's the end result there. I found these two pieces at Ikea. They're candle holders. I'm going to do the same thing, spray them in black and then put them together using my decorative piece. Yes, guys, this is the end result. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with someone, and thank you so much for the support so far. Bye bye. Love you guys.